Music you vibe to. Silent grinder, you will never find another man like me. Killing beats in his spare time, aware like me. Seeing things in his clear mind, so clear I see somewhere out see. No snow, only sun here. Got adjusted quickly like I'm from here, but from where they say sun there. And hanging buildings like dunks, snare dumps, yeah, air niggas with pumps here. Chicks got fat ass and rumps here. You better have your shit up, cause they don't fuck with punks here. But don't give up. The tower of the Trumps here. Broke rich, up. I'm focused, upright, up like sativa tree and Folgers. Leave it be. Don't sink your teeth in like beaver teeth. I wish you would like planks and you would joke, no pranks. I can't stop. Back against the wall like bank shots. I need to make a bank stop. I learned to never bank on these niggas, cause once a nigga hit the bank, he gon' tank, he gon' shank on Sean Keisha. I got to thank a few family here and there, a few niggas that were there. Kiai, Kyle, I see ya. What up, Austin and Chris, and a few niggas that I ain't mentioning. This just doesn't rhyme, just know our friendship exists. Without friendship just split. When money comes with my attention to spit. Swallow envy, let's get rich. Fuck a Bentley, who am I kidding, my cop? If you tempt me just to show what I got, have liquor flow off the top of a bottle that pop. Chill with a model and party. Too much brain and got smarty. Fuck a hoe, just get dough. Be on the low, skip party, be on the go. These new faces, never seen them before. Reach new heights, see new locations, new places, been fiending to go. Been scheming a dream on the low. Upgraded since seen. I just do my thing, let it show. Cause if you really do your thing, it'll show. Plus real niggas do their thing on the low. And these niggas ain't got a thing on the flow. It's whatever. BT Vibe to Bridge Boys. Staten Island.